Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Isla X. Now this is the $100 iPhone X lookalike. Now you can buy this from Isla.net or you can pick it up from AliExpress. I'll throw the links up in the description. And you heard that right, the price is $100. Alright, so let's run through the specs real quick. Now this is a GSM phone and it does feature dual SIM slots. Now it comes in three colors. You got black, blush gold, and white. Now you get a 5.5-inch HD bezel-less display with a resolution of 1280 by 640. Now it's running the MT6737 chipset, that's quad-core, clocked in at 1.3 gigahertz. Now you get 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, and you do have a micro SD card slot for expandable memory up to 128 gigs. Now the phone is running Android 7.0 Nugget. Shout out to the Nugget boys, fresh out of the box. For the back camera, it's 13 megapixels, and the front camera, 5 megapixels. Now you get a 2,500 milliamp battery, and it does have a fingerprint sensor. But the most important thing, the price, $100. All right, so let's check this out. Isla X, simple presentation, nothing fancy. Open it up. Here's your phone. All right, let's get this plastic off of this. Rah. Okay, already powered up. We'll check this out in a second. This is going to be your charging brick, international status, file that. Here's your SIM ejection tool, plug it and save it. And let's see. This is a regular micro USB charging cable. And that's pretty much it. Let's see, do we get any books? Okay, check this out. Usual books and shit, plug them and file them. You get a screen protector. And you get a gel skin case. All right, $100, simple. Now here's your phone. Let me get this plastic off the back. Rah. One more. Rah. Check this out. iPhone X lookalike running Android. Now in the front, here's your, what I say? Here's your 5 megapixel camera. Shout out to White Shoes. I just heard her coming out of retirement. Here's your 13 megapixel camera in the back. You got your vertical setup like on your iPhone X. On one side, this is going to be your power button, volume up and down. On the other side, here's your SIM tray. On the bottom, you got dual speaker grills, but of course, it's only one speaker. You got a mic and your micro USB charging slot. And of course, you got your notch, the LeBron James hairline in the front. Looking good. So this is the white version. Now I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to drop my information in and we'll breeze through the OS. But before we do that, here's an iPhone X, and here's an Isla X, and a White Shoes X. Right? So we got all the X's in the building. Now, do y'all think this looks like an iPhone from far away? It does. Basically, same feel. Let's do that one more time. Here's your iPhone, iPhone X, Isla X. From the back, you could definitely front with this one, throw the case on this, cover up that Isla symbol, and you could probably get away with that. But anyway, let me pause the video real quick. Shout out to White Shoes. I ain't seen you all day. What up, White Shoes? All right, let me drop my information in, and we'll be back in a second. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just put my information in the phone. I've been playing around with it for a few minutes, and I got to be honest with y'all. For $100, it gets the job done. Now, is this going to replace your iPhone 10? No. It's a $100 phone, and it works. And let me show you what I mean. It does look like an iPhone X. I will give it that. First things first, build quality. Feels good in the hands, ladies. You know the procedures. You got a glass back. You got your aluminum on the sides. It does feel like an iPhone X. Now, let's check the fingerprint sensor. Okay, the fingerprint sensor does work. It's not the fastest in the world, but it will open. Now, this button does have a click on it. So you can use this as a home button if you want. All right, so let's go to settings real quick. Now, you got your basic toggles, so you do got a flashlight. Let's blind Xerxes real quick. Flashlight on deck. Like I said, it is dual SIMs. All right, so you got 2 slots. Let's see what we got in the main settings. All right, let's hit more. Now, of course, there's no NFC, but for $100, who cares? All right, let's see what else we got. Let's take it over to sound. Let's see, you got sound enhancement. All right, so volume booster for your speakers. Zerks is trolling. Zerks, chill. I'm about to file you to the side. Relax. Let's see what else we got. Now, do we have any quick settings? Let's go to, well, really no quick settings. All right, but you do got your basic World Star button. So let's make sure that works. Double tap on the home button. That's supposed to activate your camera. There it goes. All right, so double tap on the home button. That activates your camera. Now, speaking of camera, basic point and shoot. All right, let's turn the flash off. Let's get a quick picture. Yo, Zerks. Psst, psst. Smile. I thought I turned the flash off. Had it on auto. All right, so here's a quick. Zerks looking extra angry. Basic camera. All right, you got panorama, you got beauty face, you got normal. Let's take it over to settings. So you got your GPS location, exposure, color effects, you got scene mode, white balance, image properties, anti-flicker. All right, so you got zero shutter delay, anti-shake, face detection, auto scene section. You got your burst shots, so we got this set to 40. Picture size, 13 megapixels, that's the max. Preview size, we'll do full screen. And you got you got your ISO, we'll leave that on auto. All right, Zerks is trolling. Let's see what else we got. Back to settings, let's see the video settings. All right, so you got your electric image stabilization, got a microphone, audio quality. Let's see, we'll leave that normal. Video quality, all the way up to fine. And that's pretty much it for the camera. Now I did a few test shots. Let's see. Let me open this up real quick. I'll show you how the test shot. Nothing fancy though. Just a little test shot of Zerks. Not the best camera quality in the world. It's $100. What do you expect? All right, let's check out the display and the speakers. All right, so we'll go to YouTube real quick. Let's find a quick video. All right, so we got some Injustice, War to Gods. Shout out to everybody that watched that. I will be on that next week. Zoom in the full screen. Now, this is on max volume. One bottom firing speaker. Let's see how it sounds.
And we're skipping the intros, getting right into it. Wow.
Now, the speaker actually sounds pretty good for a $100 phone. Doesn't sound bad at all. HD display. It's not going to knock your socks off, but you're going to see your videos. And more importantly, you're going to hear them. All right, so sound quality on this, actually decent. So far, a little bit of lag here and there. It's not a lag beast, but a little bit of lag, I will have to point out. Let's take it over to the web. Let's see how fast we can pull up. Let's go to apple.com. And we'll see how this one pulls up. Now, this is going to be the full website. So here's your web browsing experience. Does load up with no problems. You got your split screen multitasking. It is Android 7. Nugget. So you can rock out like that. Now, I am impressed with the speaker. Speaker does sound pretty good. 2,500 milliamp battery. That should be good enough. This is perfect for your little trap phone activities. Shout out to everybody living the creep life. Dual SIM slots. You know what to do. Anyway, overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, for $100, this is a go. If you got a little kid that wants an iPhone X and you ain't got that kind of iPhone X money to be shelling out on those little kids, bum. Hit them with the Isla X. All right, get a nice case. Let's slap this case on and see what it looks like. Now, I doubt if you're going to be able to find any aftermarket cases for this. So you're going to have to rock this one. This is one of those cases that you're going to have to physically put on. There it goes. Just like that. Not bad. Not bad at all. $100. Anyway, it Zerks. All right, good. You get out of here. All right, anyway, this is the Isla X. Let's take the case off one more time. Do one more comparison. iPhone X lookalike. What y'all think? Let's see. It's a little bit taller than your X. But basically, build quality feels the same, just a little bit lighter. You can feel a little bit more premiumness. All right, premiumness with the iPhone 10. But this is $1,000. This is $100. So you can buy 10 of these for the price of this one. Pass them out like hotcakes. Anyway, that's the Isla X, $100, iPhone X lookalike. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Foxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.